Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about the herbal rice shampoo and conditioner that I spoke about in my last hair video, and it was about my self-inflicted bald spot. So if you've not seen that video, please be sure to check that out. So a lot of you were asking me in the comments, where did I get these products? Though I did list that information in the description box. So guys, please don't be afraid to open up the description bar, because I promise you there's some helpful and useful information down there. And yeah, rice water and these rice shampoos have really been on trend here on YouTube lately, so I thought I'd give them a try. And I have the ones by Royal Herbal Organics, and they're really good, and a little of this stuff goes a long way, and I love the way it feels on my scalp as well as the smell. They have a really nice minty smell, and I'm all about mint because I did recently buy mint oil as well to rub on my scalp to stimulate hair growth and blood flow through the scalp. Now, a lot of you are here due to my Vicks Vapor Rub use videos, and people are asking me, am I still using the Vicks Vapor Rub? No, I'm not using it as much as I used to for a few reasons, because I have been enjoying ponytails and keeping my hair in these like freeze styles, like with a lot of gel, and it's just stuff like this. So I haven't been getting down to my scalp like I want to, but when I do have my hair in my plaits or protective styles under my wig, I do coat my scalp with Vicks Vapor Rub to keep my hair from profusely itching, because Vicks Vapor Rub is not only good for promoting hair growth, but it is good for itchy scalp as well. So yes, to answer your questions, I'm still using it, but just not as much as I was previously. So I'm like all about my rice water, and I want to see what this journey takes me, see if this really grows the hair. But so far I'm really loving the experience with the rice water products. Now these products don't soap up or sun, so you won't see any bubbles or anything like that. So if you order these, don't be alarmed when it isn't sunning up or getting soapy like your traditional shampoos, because these are far from your traditional shampoos. Much better. But yeah, rice water is on trend. A lot of people have been using it, and I'm going to show you how to make your own. And recently I have been making my own and enjoying that after I wash my hair, because I'm still using my traditional shampoos as well. I don't like just running through my new pricier products so fast. I still use my regular stuff from time to time. I'm just incorporating the rice water now into my wash routine, and I'm going to show you how to make some. Now, before we get into the making of the rice water, I do want to include that this rice water is not a replacement for conditioner, so you still have to condition your hair. So don't throw away your conditioner just yet. Even though we're doing a rinse after we wash, and the rice water is adding nutrients to the hair after the shampoo is gone, it's still not conditioning the hair. We still need a softening conditioning agent to add to the hair. But nonetheless, just get right into the making of the rice water. To start your rice water, you're going to need something like a jar, mason jar, or something like this. This isn't quite a mason jar, but it is a glass jar with a screw-on lid and a bag of rice. So you can use whatever rice you like. I normally use white rice. I don't have any right now, so we're gonna go with a bag of brown rice. Now, like I said, you can use whatever type of rice you like. So you're gonna start by opening your jar. Make sure your jar is clean, no leftover food particles or dust or grimy debris. We don't want anything other than the rice fermenting in here. That would be kind of gross if you had other stuff, you know, floating in, and yeah, we just don't want that. We're just gonna make sure that it is clean. And I'm gonna eyeball this, but normally I use like a cup. Whoa, that was more than a cup. But this is a rather large jar, so yeah. So you're just gonna fill it a quarter ways or halfway full of rice. Fill your jar with just about a cup of rice. So this is like a quarter, halfway full. Not quite halfway, but almost full, if you know what I mean. And then we're gonna fill the rest up with water. Have your water inside. This is what it should look like. The water should have caused the rice to kind of powder up, and now the water is all cloudy, and that's a good thing. So now we're going to screw on the top, and we're going to leave this on the counter. I like to leave mine like a couple of nights. I know some people like to leave theirs overnight, but I like to let mine sit for at least 2 nights, and then it is ready. Now you can make as little as much as you like, and once you're ready to use this, you're going to transfer this into another container via a strainer or whatever you have, because you don't want the rice particles in your water. I don't think you do. Even though if you do, you can just pour it straight onto your hair as your rinse if you want to. You can do that, but I suggest straining it. But yeah, this is it. This is how you make rice water. It's very, very simple. And I'm going to let this sit overnight, well, 2 nights, and then it'll be ready for me to use whenever I'm ready to wash my hair and give myself a rice water rinse. But that's pretty much it. But yeah, you can use either white rice, brown rice, whatever you like. They say that brown rice has the most nutrients in it, so this will be my first time trying this with the brown rice. But yeah, that's it. So that is how you make your own rice water. Bye guys.